Why do ancient secrets lure the brave and the curious into danger? Is it the thrill of the unknown, the promise of untold riches, or the allure of knowledge that transcends time itself? For centuries, adventurers, scholars, and dreamers have been drawn to the mysteries of the past, risking everything to uncover the truths hidden within the shadows of history. In Lyonesse, a city steeped in legend and enigma, the answer lies within the Archive of Whispers. This grand library, a labyrinth of knowledge, holds the secrets of the ages, waiting to be discovered by those daring enough to seek them out. Deep within Lyonesse, the Archive of Whispers held every book ever written, and many that were never seen by human eyes. The library's endless rows of ancient tomes and hidden stacks whispered tales of forgotten civilizations, lost treasures, and powerful artifacts. It was a place where the past and present converged, where the boundaries of reality and myth blurred. Thalia, a reclusive scholar, dedicated her life to its secrets. She spent countless hours poring over old manuscripts, deciphering cryptic texts, and piecing together the fragments of history. Her passion for knowledge was matched only by her determination to uncover the truths hidden within the archive. Sue. One fateful day, an old, ornate mirror covered in grime caught her eye. It was unlike anything she had ever seen before, its intricate frame adorned with symbols and runes that seemed to pulse with a life of their own. The mirror's surface, though clouded with dust, held an otherworldly allure that drew her in. As she wiped the dirt away, it began to glow, whispering ancient truths and forgotten memories. The mirror seemed to come alive, its surface shimmering with visions of the past. Thalia saw glimpses of lost civilizations, their grandeur and splendor preserved within the mirror's depths. She heard the echoes of voices long silenced, their stories waiting to be told. Thalia saw visions of lost civilizations and mystical artifacts, but one vision stood out: a hidden chamber beneath the city, home to the legendary Codex of Eternity. This ancient tome, said to hold the secrets of life and death, had been the subject of countless legends and myths. Its power was unparalleled, its knowledge limitless. This book held the secrets of life and death. It was said to contain the wisdom of the ages, the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. But with such power came great danger, and the Codex had been hidden away to protect the world from its potential consequences. Thalia knew she couldn't do it alone. The journey to the hidden chamber would be fraught with peril, and she needed someone she could trust by her side. She sought out her old friend Leora, a daring adventurer intrigued by the promise of the Codex. Leora's courage and resourcefulness made her the perfect companion for the quest that lay ahead. She sought out her old friend Leora, a daring adventurer intrigued by the promise of the Codex. Leora had spent years exploring ancient ruins and uncovering hidden treasures, her fearless spirit driving her to seek out the unknown. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond, united by their shared passion for discovery. Together, they navigated the labyrinth beneath Lyonesse, solving riddles and avoiding ancient traps. The underground tunnels were a maze of twists and turns, each passageway presenting new challenges and dangers. But Thalia and Leora's combined knowledge and skills allowed them to overcome every obstacle in their path. Spirits of the past tested their resolve. As they ventured deeper into the labyrinth, they encountered ghostly figures and ethereal spirits, remnants of those who had come before them. These spectral guardians sought to protect the secrets of the Codex, challenging Thalia and Leora's determination and courage. Finally, they reached the hidden chamber. There, on a pedestal, lay the Codex of Eternity, glowing with an otherworldly light. The chamber was filled with an aura of ancient power, the air thick with the weight of history. The Codex seemed to pulse with energy, its pages illuminated by a mystical glow. The mirror's whispers grew louder, warning of the dangers they faced. The voices within the mirror spoke of the consequences of unlocking the Codex's secrets, the potential for both great knowledge and great peril. Thalia and Leora knew that their decision would have far-reaching implications, not just for themselves, but for the world as a whole. Thalia and Leora stood at a crossroads. The choice before them was clear: unlock the secrets of the Codex and gain unparalleled knowledge and power, or preserve the balance of mystery and protect the world from the potential dangers that lay within its pages. The Codex promised unparalleled knowledge and power, but also great peril. The wisdom contained within its pages could change the course of history, but it could also bring about untold destruction. Thalia and Leora had to weigh the potential benefits against the risks, knowing that their decision would shape the future of Lyonesse and beyond. Would they unlock its secrets or preserve the balance of mystery? The decision was not an easy one, and the weight of it pressed heavily upon them. They knew that whatever choice they made, it would have profound consequences for themselves and for the world. The city of Lyonesse held its breath. The fate of the Codex and the knowledge it contained hung in the balance. The people of Lyonesse, though unaware of the specifics, could sense that something momentous was happening, and they waited with bated breath for the outcome. The end of their tale was unknown, a decision that could reshape history or maintain the delicate balance of the world. Thalia and Leora stood on the precipice of a new era, their choice poised to either unlock the secrets of the past or preserve the mysteries that had kept the world in balance for centuries. The future was uncertain, but one thing was clear: their journey had only just begun. As they stood before the Codex, Thalia and Leora reflected on their journey. They had faced countless challenges, navigated treacherous paths, and uncovered secrets that had been hidden for millennia. Their bond had grown stronger with each trial, and they had come to rely on each other's strengths and wisdom. They remembered the moments of triumph, when they had solved ancient riddles and outwitted deadly traps. They also recalled the moments of struggle, when doubt and fear had threatened to overwhelm them. But through it all, they had persevered, driven by their shared goal and unwavering determination. Thalia's eyes were drawn to the Codex, its pages filled with the promise of knowledge beyond imagination. She could feel the weight of its power, the potential to unlock the secrets of the universe. But she also felt the burden of responsibility, the knowledge that such power could bring about great change, for better or for worse. Leora, on the other hand, was drawn to the mirror. Its whispers had guided them this far, revealing the path to the Codex and the dangers they had faced. She wondered if the mirror held more secrets, if it could offer guidance on what they should do next. The mirror's surface shimmered with possibilities, its reflections hinting at the choices that lay ahead. With a deep breath, Thalia and Leora exchanged a determined look. They knew that whatever choice they made, they would face it together. Their journey had been one of discovery, not just of ancient secrets, but of their own strengths and capabilities. They were ready to face the future, whatever it might hold. Thalia reached for the Codex, her hand trembling with anticipation. The book's glow intensified, as if responding to her touch. Leora stood by her side, ready to support her friend in whatever decision she made. The air was thick with tension, the weight of their choice pressing down on them. As Thalia opened the Codex, its pages seemed to come alive, filled with ancient knowledge and wisdom. The words and symbols danced before her eyes, revealing secrets that had been hidden for millennia. She felt a surge of understanding, a connection to the past that transcended time and space. Leora watched in awe as the Codex revealed its secrets. The mirror reflected their journey, the challenges they had faced, and the choices they had made. It was a reminder of how far they had come and the strength they had found within themselves. With a sense of resolution, Thalia and Leora closed the Codex. They had unlocked its secrets, but they also understood the importance of preserving the balance of mystery. They knew that the knowledge they had gained was a gift, one that came with great responsibility. As they left the hidden chamber, Thalia and Leora felt a sense of peace. Their journey was far from over, but they were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. They had discovered the Codex of Eternity, and with it, the power to shape the future. But they also knew that the true power lay within themselves, and the choices they made would determine the course of their destiny. The city of Lyonesse welcomed the dawn of a new day. The people went about their lives, unaware of the monumental discovery that had taken place beneath their feet. But the air was filled with a sense of possibility, a feeling that the future held great promise. Thalia and Leora walked through the city, their hearts filled with a sense of purpose. They had unlocked the secrets of the past, and now they were ready to shape the future. Their journey had taught them that true power came from within, and that the choices they made would determine the course of their destiny. The mirror, now a symbol of their quest, reflected their journey. It had guided them to the Codex, revealing the path and the dangers they had faced. It was a reminder of the power of knowledge and the importance of preserving the balance of mystery. Thalia and Leora looked towards the horizon, ready for new adventures. They knew that their journey was far from over and that the world was filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. With the Codex of Eternity in their possession, they were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead and to shape the future with the knowledge they had gained. The city of Lyonesse, with its rich history and endless possibilities, stood as a testament to the power of knowledge and the importance of preserving the balance of mystery. Thalia and Leora's journey had shown them that the true power lay within themselves and that the choices they made would determine the course of their destiny. As Thalia and Leora walked into the distance, their hearts filled with hope and determination, they knew that their journey was just beginning. The Codex of Eternity had unlocked the secrets of the past, but it was their choices that would shape the future. With the power of knowledge and the strength of their bond, they were ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead and to create a future filled with endless possibilities.